Oh, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to One to Buy. And today we have the JBL Flip 6. It's finally out. I think it released a couple of days ago. Mine just got here and I haven't even seen it yet. All I did was take the little tapes off. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what it looks like. Now, the JBL series, everyone knows, love it or hate it. They make pretty darn good portable speakers. And this is one of the newest lines. I'm just hoping the Bluetooth button to connect multiple speakers, the PartyBoost button, is all the same because they always switch it up every year. So what you get is this super bright that you guys can't even see white thing that says JBL Flip 6. You get your little USB Type-C cable. What else is in here? Oh, there's something else in here, something different. Nope, just paperwork. I thought that was like a case or something. That's all it is. And then in the inside right here, oh, the granddaddy of them all, the one that everyone came to see. So this is your Flip 6. You see the new logo, different logo than what we're rocking, the little baby logo on the Flip 5. This little thing, you can't even read it. You don't even know what it is, but they let you know with this one. So this is a design they've been going with all the new ones, the Charge 5, the Extreme, all that, and there's nothing else in this box. So, oh, it feels so good. It feels exactly like the Charge 5. It feels exactly like the Charge 5. So they're basically the same. Same speaker, new logo on the front. Let's hope that the sound quality is different. Let's hope that if you're wanting to upgrade, it's worth upgrading. And yeah. All right, so the price you're gonna be looking at is $130 for the Flip 6. I put that link down in the description below so you guys can click it and hopefully get one for someone for Christmas or for yourself for Christmas. It comes in this blue right here that you see. It comes in black, it comes in red, it comes in gray, and it also comes in teal. So those are the colors. And from what I've seen when I was looking on their website, on JBL's website, the teal and the gray were sold out already. So there was only the black, the red, and then this blue right here. It might be different on Amazon, but you have 5 different colors to choose from and find the one that you like. It is IP67, meaning it's dust and waterproof. You could be submerged in water for a little bit and pull it out. Your speaker is going to be fine. And with the dust proof, if it's outside or whatever, it's going to be fine with the dust blowing and all that. You're going to be taken care of with this speaker because it's IP67. It seems a lot more speakers are headed that way. It used to be like IP6, IP7 and all that. But a lot of these rugged speakers are getting really built for outdoors people or people that are always outside or any of that. You're gonna be taken care of with the IP67. Now that I just opened this bad boy, I don't know the true battery life. It says 12 hours. I'm 100% sure they tested that at medium volume or lower to push it to 12 hours. So I'm gonna be testing it on full blast, and I'm guessing we're gonna get anywhere between 7 to 9 or something like that, but we'll see. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys can check out my full review when I test this out after a couple of days or a week or so. Now, remember I was saying hopefully the PartyBoost is the same because JBL likes to switch it up on us, and you buy all their older speakers and you can't combine them no more because the newer ones are a different logo. We don't have that issue. They have the same little PartyBoost button. You can't really see it on this one because of the teal. So you'll be able to connect it to multiple speakers as long as they have that same little PartyBoost logo, because some of them are different, you know, like with the little sideways triangle with a plus on it. I don't know, they have a whole bunch of different ones, but for the newer generation, you're going to be good to go. Another thing they added on the Flip 6, something really simple, is this little stopper to keep it from rolling. So, you know, there I had to put a little bit more force to get over the hump for that, to push this one. Unlike the Flip 5, you see there's nothing there, and then you could just easily, you know, roll it. So I'm glad they have that little stopper there. It's the little things, bud. It's the little things. All right, so let's just test out the sound. Let's see what it sounds like. Hopefully it's charged up. Let's connect it. All right, so the speaker is updated. It's charged, is ready to go. And also I seen when I connected it to update it that JBL finally upgraded their app. Their app was pretty horrible, pretty trash actually. They had no EQ on there. There's an EQ setting now. And then they have a simpler, you know, PartyBoost mode to go in there, and hopefully it connects better, because connecting through the app with your PartyBoost was like one of the worst experiences. I had a lot of comments, you know, people just upset with that. So I'm glad to see that JBL is making their way, you know, adding some EQ in there, giving you a chance to customize the sound of the speaker of how you want it. That's a thumbs up for them. It's not in depth as the sound cord, you know, their thing is crazy, but still it's something, and they're on their way. Now let's get to the sound test. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito.
ito. Sabi ng tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan inerhiyan yung negatibo.
And like I said, with the new EQ app, you can basically boost it up. From seeing their EQ app is very small, like adjustments. I think it's like 2 notches up, +2. If you wanted to make this a little bit louder, I'd just go +2 on everything. If you really don't like highs, take it down 1 notch. But it'll give you that boost, and I'll just demonstrate that right now. I'll just go max on the EQ so you guys can hear that, just up 2 notches. And I have the, you know, the picture or the thing right here as well. Let's do it.
Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi ng tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan inerhiyan yung negatibo. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi ng tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Dapat puso ay bato.
All right, so that's everything you can do. That's the sound of the Flip 6. I will probably go with the bass where it's at. I wouldn't boost that. And then also I'll probably boost the mids and highs all the way up just to get a little bit more volume. It still sounds good. Doesn't sound harsh on the ears. Doesn't sound out of control. If it does, boost one of, you know, pull one of those down, the mids or the highs. But if you keep that bass where it's at, it's fine. Maxing it out will give you a little bit more rumble, but I'm also nervous it's gonna kill the battery, because the more this speaker's working at a higher volume and pushing out that bass, the faster the battery is gonna drown, period. So I'm just, I'll probably just keep the bass where it's at. The little bit of rumble, to me, is not really worth it that much. And I love bass, so, but yeah. Pretty good. Yeah, bud, so there you go. That's the JBL Flip 6. If you want to check out the Flip 5, click this video right here, or check out some of the sound battles and how we'll do the sound battle with this one down there below. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. I'll see all you guys in my next video. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.